हाँ, सारे स्टूडेंट्स हमारी ओर ध्यान दें। प्लीज पे अटेंशन टू मी। देखिए, एन आंसर, इट इज रियली एन इम्पॉर्टेंट पोइम ऑफ एडा कैम्ब्रिज। दिस पोइम tells us that in the present time people don't prefer marriage. They want to live in love relations. Here a lover asks from his beloved if she is ready to marry him. The beloved gives the answer. So this poem is the answer that is given by beloved to her lover. The beloved says that she wants to remain beloved, but she cannot be the wife of her lover. She thinks that if she becomes wife, she will lose her freedom. She will lose the freedom which she has been enjoying for a long time. She thinks that when a girl becomes wife, the girl has to follow some duties, some instructions. All these things, they become just like bondage for the girl. So this is the reason that this girl does not want to be the wife of her lover. She wants to remain only the beloved. She says that suppose if she marries and in future she meets some better man than her husband, now she cannot be separated from her husband if she becomes wife. But if she remains the beloved, she is free to go away from her lover and she can live with another lover. Lover can also do the same thing. So that is why she is not ready to marry. She wants to be only the beloved of her lover. One more reason is this, that loving, it gives us pleasure. And some people, they believe that after the marriage their love is over. It is often seen that most of the married people, they don't have that love which the lovers have. Because a lover always tries to look after his beloved, to take care of his beloved. Beloved does the same thing. When they become husband and wife, this thing is over. Then who cares whom? Instead of caring each other, they start fighting, quarreling, accusing, doubting. Lovers are free. In the love of lovers, there is a respect, there is honor. But in the love of husband and wife, no honor, no respect. When two people, they start loving to each other, they get pleasure. Why? Because lover tries to know more and more about his wife, and wife tries to know more and more about her lover. Boy tries to know more and more about his beloved, and the girl tries to know more and more about her lover. So this is moving. This is moving, and moving always gives us pleasure, because moving is life and staying is death. When these two people get married, after the marriage, they know to each other completely. Nothing remains to be known further. And when nothing remains, their movement comes to an end. Their moving comes to an end. The moment their moving comes to an end, their pleasure comes to an end. So this is the reason that this beloved does not want to be the wife of her lover. She only wants to be the beloved. A philosopher has said that life is only verb. It is not noun. Relating is good. Relation is bad, because relation is dead. Relating is alive. Okay. So this is the reason that the beloved, she is not ready to be the wife of her lover. She only wants to be the beloved. Okay. Now listen it properly. पढ़ना शुरू करें सब बच्चे इसको अच्छे ढंग से. Thy love I am. Beloved कहती है अपने लवर से कि Thy love I am, मैं तुम्हारी beloved तो हूँ, Thy wife I cannot be. तुम्हारी वाइफ मैं नहीं हो सकती. इस पोएम का नाम इसलिए आंसर रखा गया क्योंकि दिस इज द आंसर ऑफ अ बिलवेड टू हर लवर. अपने लवर के लिए एक बिलवेड का ये आंसर है. तो दाई लव आई एम, मैं तुम्हारी बिलवेड तो हूँ, लेकिन दाई वाइफ आई कैन नॉट बी. तुम्हारी पत्नी मैं नहीं बन सकती. क्यों? क्योंकि अगर मैं तुम्हारी पत्नी बन गई, टू बियर तो मुझे सहन करने होंगे, योक एक बंधन, एक जुअर को, वो जो जानवर होते हैं ना उनके कंधे में जुअर रखे जाते हैं. टू बियर द योक ऑफ सर्विट्यूड कहते हैं स्लेवरी के, गुलामी के. अगर मैं तुम्हारी पत्नी बन जाती हूं तो मुझे क्या करना होगा? जो गुलामी के बंधन है, गुलामी की जो जुअर है, उसे अपने कंधे पर रखना होगा. टू टेक स्ट्रेंज, एक अजनबी व्यक्ति के साथ मुझे जाना होगा, रहना होगा. अननोन फेटर्स माने बेड़ियां, अनजान सी बेड़ियां मेरे पैरों में डाल दी जाएंगी. दैट आई कैन नॉट ब्रेक, और उसके बाद मैं चाह करके भी इन बेड़ियों को तोड़ नहीं. ऑन सोल एंड फ्लेश, ये मेरा जो शरीर है, मेरी जो आत्मा है, दैट शुड बी माइन, इसे मेरी होना चाहिए, मेरा अधिकार मेरे शरीर पर है. एंड फ्री फेटर द वुमेन्स ओल्ड डिस्ग्रेस फॉर मी, और एक वुमन को फ्री होना चाहिए जो समाज उसे डिस्ग्रेस देता है, उसकी उसे परवाह नहीं है, इससे वो फ्री रहना चाहती है. क्योंकि इट इज़ बिलीव्ड दैट सपोज इफ ए गर्ल डज नॉट गेट मैरिड इन सोसाइटी, शी इज़ नॉट रिस्पेक्टेड बिकॉज एवरीबडी starts criticizing that girl, why she is not going to be married. So she says that she is ready to face the criticism, but she is not ready to undertake the bondages that she has to undertake after the marriage. She believes in freedom. She wants to lead a free life, and not only she, I think everybody, every person likes to lead a free life. Who would like to live under slavery? I think nobody would like. Every person wants freedom. I have told you many times that Every person likes freedom. Students, they want freedom from their teacher, from their study. Teachers also want freedom from students. They want freedom from teaching. Wife wants freedom from her husband. Husband wants freedom from his wife. Children want freedom from their parents. Parents want freedom from their children. Those who are poor, they want freedom from poverty. Those who are in trouble, sufferings, they want to freedom from their troubles and sufferings. Those who are sick, they want freedom from sickness. And those who are extremely disappointed in life, they want freedom from life. Some people, they go to temple to worship God because they want to get freedom from their sins. So every person wants to get freedom. Okay? So this girl also wants to get freedom. ये भी freedom चाहती. Clear हो गया है तो? Then this old sin, this deep and dire mistake, ये पाप, ये भयंकर गलती मैं क्यों करूं? Better for truth and honor and thy sake. और हे लवर, मैं तुमसे सच्चाई के आधार पर ये कहती हूँ, मैं तुम्हारे सम्मान, तुम्हारे प्रेम के लिए कहती हूँ, फॉर द प्योर फेथ आई गिव, कि जो प्रेम तुमने मुझे दिया उसके बदले में मैं तुम्हें प्रेम दूंगी, तुम्हें विश्वास दूंगी. एंड टेक फ्रॉम दी, और तुमसे मैं विश्वास लूंगी भी, लेकिन मैं तुम्हारी पत्नी नहीं बनूंगी. आई नो, मैं जानती हूँ, दाई लव, कि तुम्हारा प्रेम जो है ना सच्चा है. एंड लव दी ऑल आई कैन, और मैं जितना प्रेम तुमसे कर सकती हूँ उतना मैं तुमसे प्रेम करूँगी. आई फेन वुड लव दी, मैं प्रसन्नता से तुम्हें प्रेम करूँगी. कब तक? ओनली टिल आई डाई, अपने मरते दम तक मैं तुमसे प्रेम करूँगी. बट मैं तुम्हारी पत्नी बनना नहीं चाहूँगी, शादी करना नहीं चाहूँगी. क्यों? क्योंकि आफ्टर द मैरिज शी कैन नॉट एंजॉय फ्रीडम. बट आई मे समडे लव ए बेटर मैन, हो सकता है किसी दिन मुझे तुमसे अच्छा मैन मिल जाए, उससे मैं प्रेम करने लगूं. एंड दाउ मेस्ट फाइंड ए बेटर मेड देन आई, और हो सकता है तुम्हें मुझसे अच्छा कोई पार्टनर मिल जाए, या हो सकता है संबांड मुझ में कुछ कमी तुम्हें नजर आने लगे. समचिल, हमारा प्रेम ठंडा पड़ जाए. मे स्टील ट्विक्स्ट हर्ट एंड हर्ट, हम लोगों के हृदयों के बीच में कोई मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग ऐसी चीज आ जाए तो हम लोग फ्री तो हैं एक दूसरे से अलग होने के लिए. शादी हो जाएगी तो अलग नहीं हो सकते. एंड देन वी मस्ट बी फ्री टू किस एंड पार्ट, तो एटलीस्ट वी आर फ्री, वी कैन किस टू ईच अदर एंड वी कैन बी सेपरेटेड. देयर विल बी नो प्रॉब्लम बिटवीन अस. बट इफ शी बिकम्स द वाइफ ऑफ her lover, then it will become very tough for her to be separated. Suppose if two people get married and after the marriage husband comes to know that his wife has some great weakness, or wife comes to know that her husband has some weakness, then what they will do? They will go on repenting throughout the whole life. They cannot be separated due to the pressure of family, due to the pressure of society and social customs and traditions. But if two people who are lover and beloved, when lover comes to know that his beloved has this weakness, he will cut off his relation. Beloved will do the same thing. Here we have complete freedom. So that's why Ada Cambridge says that she wants to remain only beloved. She does not want to become the wife, because if she becomes wife, she will lose her freedom, and she is not ready to lose her freedom at any cost. Clear?